I'm making sure that I.
Hot mustard.
This is gonna be bad.
No, it's gonna be good. Wait, no. You didn't. He didn't do the first one. He sat and took it. Water really doesn't help. It just hits your sinuses.
I know.
Yeah, the egg rolls do help. Why will we have wine? Now you got some more to do.
I was
Finish it
expecting
up
a
for
burning
$2.50.
sensation. I felt like I was on
I'm
fire.
not doing it.
Well, no one asked you to do it.
Well, I'll do this.
It's lemon.
How much are you paying me, Teddy?
I'm paying you back.
Mm-hmm.
Hey?
I'm going to do lemon.
But two. Oh my god.
Sweet.
Under your nose, it helps.
Can I have this
Don't listen to
lemon?
your mama.